back to another video. So I was about to, no I wasn't about to, I was going to film a set of nails, but it's got quite late, I haven't got time. So I've got a few parcels here from AliExpress, so I thought we'll see what's in them. I've got a couple of other bits as well. So let's see what we got. So yeah, this is just going to be a haul video. I'm sat with my cup of tea. I don't know why, whenever I'm doing haul videos, I always get my cup of tea ready. And look what I've got, guys. Galaxy Crispy. Oh my gosh, look at it. I've been absolutely in love with the Galaxy Cookie Crumble, but I just recently tried this because they didn't have any Cookie Crumble left. Oh my gosh, guys, if you're in the UK and you've not tried this yet, you need to try it because it's so nice. Oh, it's so nice, especially with a cup of tea. Right, so this first package has got some gems. I don't know if any of you remember me buying these. I wanted some gold gems. They are see-through underneath, but the gem itself is completely gold. But they weren't the gold that I wanted. That's more of a yellow gold. But I was still happy with them because I haven't got any of that shade. But the colour I actually wanted was these. So I ordered some more, hoping they'd be the colour that I wanted, and they are. Second time lucky. These are the colour that I wanted. They're like a duller, yeah, they're just a dull kind of gold, aren't they? Completely different kind of shade. Do you know what I mean? So that's the colour that I wanted. And again, it's got the teeny weeny ones, which I'm really happy about. So I'm happy with them. I might grab another pack now I know that they're the right ones. And I also got these because I did a pink Halloween set recently and I needed some black gems, which I didn't have. And I ended up having to use little plastic gems that you use for diamond painting. So I thought, right, I'm going to get myself some black gems because I needed them and I haven't got them. So if I ever need them again, I've got them. And again, these have got the tiny ones. And these are glass as well. They're both glass, they're not plastic. So they're cool. I like them. Right, what we got in this next package? Oh, we got some foils, guys. So these are only short pieces of foil. I think these are only £1.50 or something a pack. I don't even think they were £1.50. But yeah, they are only small strips, 20 centimetres, but that's all you need. They've all got this plastic strip in recently. I don't know what they're for. Right, so these first ones are like kind of yellowy gold netting. So they're like roses. And then that one's got snowflakes on it. So it's like a black netting in the background with gold images on it, isn't it? That's got like a honeycomb with flowers on it. And then again, this one's like a flowery one. These are cool, aren't they? I haven't seen anything like these. Yeah, they're just all different types of flowers, aren't they? Oh, I like that one. The flowers are quite bold and plain on that one. I like that one. That's got love hearts. That's cute. Again, more flowers. I'm not too keen on some of these. That one's not too bad. I like that one. I like that one actually. Yeah, I'm not too keen on some of them. Right, and then we've got this pack. I'm so sorry if you can hear cars, guys. I've got my window open. Oh, I like the look of these ones. I like that. So this is a full cover. That's cool, isn't it? I've not seen these before. Oh, I like that one. All different checkered on it. And played. Oh, I really like that one. That is cool. I'd love a foil in a full sheet of this pink check. I love the colour of this one as well. Oh, I like that. Yeah, I'd love some full sheets. You know, separate sheets of all these different patterns. So it looks like these are all full cover. I like that colour combo. I do like that colour combo. My gosh, I'm so sorry. It's very late as well, you know. My street's so noisy. People are so inconsiderate, they really are. That's cool. I like that. Oh, this is cool. These are really unique. Ooh, I like that as well. And then we've got that one. These are cute, aren't they, guys? Oh, I like that. I do like that. I don't like flowers, but I don't mind that. Again, I don't mind that one either. That's quite cute. Oh, I love that as well. I'd love full sheets of all these little squares. I love this little flowery one. Oh, I like all of them. I would love full sheets of them. They're cool, aren't they? Oh, and then we've got that plastic piece again. I don't know why they've started putting them in. They never used to. Right, and then this last one. I remember this one. It's all fluffy. It's all fluffy. Like, yeah, fluffy. Or it looks fluffy. It's not fluffy, it looks fluffy. Aren't these cool? Different, aren't they? Ooh, look at that one. That is so cool. Imagine that pink down the middle of a nail. These are really cool. Oh, look. I like the colours of these. Really bright, vibrant colours, aren't they? Cool. Look at that one. These would literally look like your nails are furry, wouldn't they? That's pretty. Oh, and then we've got that one. That one's cool as well, isn't it? Yeah, they would make your nail look like they are fluffy. So that's my packs of foils. I just got 3. I've just ordered another 2 actually. I don't know why I do that. I don't know why I just don't get things in one go. Right, so let's open another one. These ones I'm not particularly happy about because these are not the ones I ordered at all. None of them. I ordered 3 completely different ones. I ordered 2 actually and 3 turned up. But the 2 I ordered were completely different to these. I don't like these at all. I mean, I like these, but I've got hundreds of these. They are glass AB crystals. It's got all different size little mini ones. Let me open them. In fact, no, I'm not going to open them because I'm going to put these straight in my giveaway. But yeah, they're just all different size AB and it's got rectangle ones in there. But I've got hundreds of these, so I'm not really happy. And then there's this one. Again, it's full of little AB caviar beads and it's got all these little gold embellishments. I like these red stones. I haven't got any of them, but they're not flat back. They're kind of diamond back. And it's got, yeah, all different gold embellishments in there. 4-pointed, no, not 4-pointed stars, kind of them stars. And that's got some clear AB in there as well. And then this last one, again, it's got like green stones in it. I just literally recently got a tub very similar to this in a friend mail from Sapphire Deluxe. So it's got all little green pieces of glass or stone. It's got sunshine and moons in there. Very pretty, but I've already got it, yeah. So there's them 3. I'm going to stick them straight in my giveaway box, I think. So there's those. Right, so there's one more pack from AliExpress. Oh, right, so I ordered what I thought was a black polygel. And it's turned up and it says light black. Should we have a quick nosy? Should we have a quick nosy at it? I've ordered a few more of these actually. But this is the first one I ordered and it's turned up by itself. So let's have a look how light or how dark it is. Oh, it's not too light actually. That's quite dark. Actually, it's not as light as I thought it was going to be. But what I thought is, if it is a little transparent, I will add some black pigment to that. I've just recently got some black pigment. So yeah, I may well add some black pigment to that because I have not got a black polygel or a black builder gel. So I think that will come in handy. If it's alright, I'll probably get some more of that because it's not often that I see black Right, lastly from AliExpress, I've got myself another Akihi brush. I absolutely love these brushes. I'm sure you all see me using them in my videos. For detailed work, and I do use this a lot. I absolutely love this nail brush. It's absolutely amazing. But I do like a brush that's got a shorter nib on it. Let me show you compared to my nail one. I'll show you what I mean. Can you see how long the nail brush is? It's quite a bit longer than that little detailed one. So when I do need a shorter one, and these Akihi brushes are amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. If you're after a detailer brush, then grab these, because I absolutely love them. I swear by them. So many of us girls have bought them and stick to them because they are good. So this is my old one when they used to do them in the black nibs. They do them with the silver now, but look at the state of it. All the paint's come off it. But I'll tell you something, I have looked after it and it is still like it was the day I got it. But I thought it's about time I replace it because it's looking rather battered. So yeah, if you need a detailer brush, get one of these. And they also do them in different sizes. You can get them longer and skinnier. And they've even got a liner brush, but it's in this style. I wish they would do the liner brush in these red ones, because I prefer, these are prettier, but I prefer holding these ones. They're so light and it just feels like a pencil. But again, the liner brush is really, really good. I love it. I've been really enjoying using this liner brush recently. And they're not very expensive either. So yeah, I got myself another Akihi. I think that's how you say it. Anyway, I got myself another Akihi brush. Right, quickly, one thing from Amazon. A bit late now, but I'll save these for next year. I got myself some press-ons. I bought these at Christmas time. 3 sets, same packaging, but obviously they were Christmas ones. And I loved them. I really did. The sizing and shaping are perfect. I love them. These ones glow in the dark, actually. But yeah, I grabbed them for Halloween, but never got around to doing them because obviously I did my own nails. So yeah, I'll save them for next year because they're very, very cute, aren't they? Right, and lastly, one more thing to show you. I got myself these. These are from Moyra, and they are stamping polishes, but they're for foil. Yeah, it says on the back here, foil polish for stamping. So if you stamp an image like a cobweb, you can put a foil on that cobweb then and it'll print. Do you know what I mean? So it's like a sticky stamping polish, but this isn't UV gel, this air dries. They've also got these in a gel as well that you have to cure in the lamp. So I got white and I got black. So yeah, it's a stamping polish, but it dries with a very, very sticky layer so that you can stamp images and stick all different colour foils to your images, which I thought is pretty cool. So yeah, they've got it in this polish and they've got it in the gel version as well. So that's it. Is that everything I had to show you? Oh, I've got a couple of other things actually. I'll save them for next time because they're quite big. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. Just a quick one because, like I said, it got too late to film today, so I thought I'll just show you a few goodies. But yeah, anyway, guys, I'm going. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel as well if you're not already. Make sure your notifications are on so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.